Hey guys, so yeah, I have some pretty surprising news today. I found like a, I don't know, pigeon, duck, I don't know. When you see it, tell me what animal it is in the comments. I'm going there right now. Actually, I don't think I should bring my tricycle because, like, I think it might scare it away. I went through, like, the past few times with my tricycle. I'm just gonna walk over there. I'm just gonna be recording this. This is actually where I live. That's my house over there. If you can see. Okay, so yeah, we're just gonna be walking. We're gonna be walking over there. I don't want to scare him away. I gave him like a whole tortilla, some pieces. Yeah. By the way, if this recording is a bit bad, sorry. Look, you see that gray thing over there? Like next to that tree? Yeah, that's it. We're gonna go in front of it. See what it is. Okay? Look at that. Look at that. Hey, little birdie. Hey, little birdie bird. How are you today? See, it has eyes. It moves. It's alive. That's a tortilla I gave him. Oh, he's moving. He's moving. Man, I love this guy. Look, see that? See that? See? He moves. Okay. Ah! See Daisy? Cute little beauty, isn't he? God, I just love him so much. I don't know what to name him. You guys have any names? Tell me in the comments. You might not be able to see his beak, but you might be able to see his beak. So yeah, I guess that's all the things I have to show for that. Yeah. Tell me what should I name this guy? What should I name him? And what species of animal this is. I don't know what this is. So yeah, please tell me. And also tell me a name that I can get this guy. Yeah, thanks for watching, and yep. That's all. Bye.